Adding music throughout your backyard has never been easier. With our single carton system, you have everything you need right in the box. No cutting or splicing required. Let's get started. This is our patent-pending plug-and-play system. Everything you see here comes in one box, making it easier than ever to bring music to your outdoor space. Start by laying out your main cable where you want your sound coverage. The T connectors are spaced 12 feet apart to help you position speakers effectively. Outdoor stereo separation is generally best at 8 to 10 feet apart, but feel free to adjust as needed. If you need more coverage, simply purchase the expansion kit. Each kit comes with matched speakers, a subwoofer, and a waterproof cable, letting you extend up to 8 satellites and 2 subwoofers, covering an impressive 3,500 square feet. The end of the cable that connects to the amplifier is 50 feet long, so you can easily reach a covered porch or protected area. Simply match the color-coded labels on the connector ends to the correct terminals on your amplifier. Remember, it's a stereo setup, so keep left and right channels consistent. Each satellite speaker comes pre-wired with 4 feet of cable and labeled as left or right. Just remove the waterproof cap from the T on your main cable and plug it in. If you start with left, the next speaker should be right, and so on. The subwoofer has a 6-foot pre-wired cable and can be plugged into any T connector. Positioning it near a wall will give you deeper bass. Select your favorite music streaming service and press play. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new outdoor audio experience.